How to change Snapchat music length. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change Snapchat sound length or music length. After you open your phone, go and open Snapchat. After you open Snapchat like this, now go ahead now and tap on this gallery icon to upload a video or a picture. So I'll just tap on this gallery icon. So go to camera roll and select a video that I wanted to add. So I'll scroll to down. For this video, for this tutorial, I'll use this. As you can see now, I'll use this video. I'll use this picture. So after you select the picture like this, now all you have to do, tap on this add sound button, this one, add sound. So now go ahead and add your sound. So for me, I'll just go ahead and search for a sound like. So I'll just go ahead and search for a sound. I'll use this one. So I added my sound now. Let's listen to the sound. So as you can see now, here is the sound. Now if you want to just cut the length, or you want to just like change the length of the music, now you can use your hand in this session now like this. You can use your hand either this or this. So after you just go to the position or point that you want to add to your picture or your video, just tap on this save button. Therefore from there, here is my sound now. So now I cutted my sound. That's it guys on how to change Snapchat music length. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.